Hello everyone and welcome to Psychology 302-01, Advanced Research Methods, Testing Hypotheses. My name is Dr. Lauren Red Gardner and I will be your instructor for the course. This is a welcome video and tour of our course site. You will see I will post weekly announcements with updates on our front page. You can also see our course banner at the top here. If you look along the left navigation pane, you will see all of the items you will need to click to navigate through our course site. First, we have our Getting Started link where you can see information about our first week and how to prepare for our course. Please review the syllabus in entirety. Next, you'll see announcements page, link to bring us back to where we were. You'll see our syllabus where you can access the syllabus, and contacts, which is the instructor information, where you'll see my email address, a photo, and a brief bio. Important to note is our weekly assignments are in weekly folders where you can see what we'll be working on each week with some key due dates and assignments posted. Also important is our discussions link on the left, which will bring you to our discussion boards where you will post and then also reply to your peers. There are some additional links with resources and reference materials about our final paper, and other helpful links, including links to the exams. I want to welcome you to our course, and I look forward to a great semester. Thank you, and I'll see you in the course. Welcome. All best. Dr. Red Gardner.